Kamusta kayo? Pagkatapos kinopya ng online, nagsusulat at nagbabas ng papel na magazine. Lee YY Panulaan from Lee YY Magazine, Manila Bulletin Publishing. Tagalog, una. At dos, Spanish. Okay. Adelaide's Dream Filipino at Spanish. Mamaya mag-order ng Shopee PH, Lazada PH, and buy a copy of Lee YY Tagalog Magazine here at National Bookstore nationwide for 100 pesos only at online website leeyy.ph. So maraming salamat po, and to God to be the glory, and God bless you all. Thanks. Must take care of the Tagalog magazine writing papers. Thanks.